Welcome back to Samira Z Fashion Channel, home of trendy styles. How have you been, my beautiful people around the world? Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. So if you are new to this channel, Samira Z Fashion Channel, you're welcome to the family. And thank you, my old subscriber. I love you guys. I really love you guys for subscribing to my channel, for always watching my channel. Thank you for your support. So, I hope you have been learning one or two things from my videos that I'll be making. We have a lot of videos already for you guys to watch. And today, we are making a beautiful style. This top that I'm wearing, something like this. That's what we are making. V-neck top. It's very beautiful, and I hope you are ready to learn with us. So don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can share my video with your loved ones. So let's start now. Welcome back to Samira Z Fashion Channel, home of trendy style. We are making V-neck top today. We are taking the measurements on the video. As you can see, this is the shoulder measurements that we are taking. I'm so sorry my camera did not catch up when I was cutting the neck. This is the neck side. I'm so sorry about it. Please forgive me for that. So I'm trying to place the top very well so that you guys can see. As you can see it on the video, the material is very beautiful and we are making a very beautiful style out of it. V-neck top. So I'm going to show you guys the measurements later, the um, the measurement of the length and the shoulder. I'm going to show you guys the measurement that we are using to measure this beautiful top that we are making, V-neck top. This is the back. The back, this is the length of the back, and the back is going to be round neck at the back. So I've already cut it out too. I'm so sorry for that. The camera didn't take that part. So this is the length of the shoulder. That's the shoulder, the length. I'm going to still show you the length of the shoulder, the measurement that we took to get the length at the back of the V-neck shoulder that we are doing. But the back is round neck. So this is it. You guys have been asking me to make a video on how to make V-neck top. So this is the video for you guys to learn one or two things on how to make your own top, V-neck top. You can wear it on your jean, you can wear it out to church, you can wear it to the office. It's a beautiful top that you can rock anywhere. So I'm trying to stitch, to take it to the machine to stitch. I'm just using my pin to pin it down because the material is very soft, so I need to pin it down so that I can able to join the sides together. That's what I'm doing here. You can also pin your top before taking it to the machine to sew. So I'm stitching it together. The dress is almost I meant the top is almost ready. Yes, we have come to the end of today's tutorial on how to cut and sew your V-neck top. Very beautiful top. As you can see, I'm rocking my V-neck top. My leg is very beautiful. You can wear it out, you can wear it on your jean, you can wear it on your skirt, you can wear it to office, to church. So just try and watch the video again so that you'll be able to cut and sew on your own. The material is a very simple material that you can get in the market. So try to watch it again and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We need that from you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.